2025 has been a year. We had a kitchen fire in January that destroyed our dining center, and 2 thunderstorms with 90+ mile-per-hour winds that shredded the Nelson family bubble and took out 92 trees across our campus. In true Jimmie fashion, though, we persevered. We have a new bubble now, and construction is underway on a new dining center. Admissions and campus ministry will move into their new office space in Bedell Nafis in the upcoming weeks. And thanks to Professor Eric Sand's help, we have planted a lot of new trees on campus here in Jamestown. Despite these hurdles, a lot of really great things have happened too. And here, in no particular order, is our list of the 10 highlights for UJ for 2025. Number 1, it was a big year for religious life at UJ. After over a year of having to celebrate chapel in the Ryland Auditorium, we were able to return to a renovated Voorhees Chapel. We opened a new Lichty Center for Faith and Life, and we received one of the St. John's Bibles. Number 2, the School of Nursing is growing in Fargo. Our first direct entry of Master of Science in Nursing students started last January, and over the past year, we've had 140 nursing students in Fargo alone. Number 3, development and alumni relations had a really big year. The Together We Rise capital campaign has been tremendously successful, and the department passed the $80 million goal for the campaign during 2025, and the gifts continue to come in. We want to sincerely thank all of the donors and friends of UJ who have made this campaign very successful and who believe so deeply in our mission. Number 4, we had quite a few firsts for commencements this year. We had our very first students graduate with their bachelor's degree in civil engineering in May. In August, MBA students graduated from UJ in the first time. And earlier this month, Dr. Paula Ebola successfully defended her dissertation, being the first Jimmie to complete our PhD program in clinical research. Number 5, 2025 was an important year for Jimmie athletics. We advanced to year 2 in our transition to the NCAA and joined the Northern Sun. Jimmie football's win at Concordia St. Paul secured our first victory as an NCAA Division II school. Number 6, our pathologist assistant master's program in Phoenix was highlighted in Mayor Kate Gallego's State of the City address back in May and garnered widespread media attention throughout the Valley. Thank you, Mayor Gallego, for highlighting our program, and we are thrilled to work with you to advance the biomedical sciences in Phoenix. Number 7, the Unruh School of Character and Leadership hosted more than 1,600 attendees at the inaugural Leadertown Conference in September. Number 8, in May, we celebrated 10 years of Doctor of Physical Therapy graduates. To date, we have graduated more than 330 physical therapists who are now serving their communities, mostly in the upper Midwest. Number 9, Professor Jonathan Lionheart's book, The Journey of God, Christianity in 6 Movements, was the #1 new religion audiobook on Amazon when it was released this summer. And Professor Mark Carpenter's book, The War on Ilahi, published by Yale University Press, has gotten great critical acclaim, and he has been filling venues when he has been asked to come and speak about his work. Number 10, the University of Jamestown served a record 1,625 students this year, including more than 400 graduate students. Thank you to each and every one of you and your families for trusting us with your education. So that was UJ's eventful 2025 in a nutshell. It was a great year to be a Jimmie. And we aren't resting on our laurels either. As we look ahead to 2026, we will complete our transition into the NCAA. The Health Sciences and Graduate Center, home to our Pathologist Assistant program, will open in Phoenix this January. New Master of Science programs will start this summer, one in computational pathology and digital medicine, and the other in medical sciences. And we are on path to once again set a school record for enrollment. We also have a few surprises that we aren't quite ready to announce just yet. Until then, on behalf of the staff, faculty, and administration at the University of Jamestown, I hope that you had a Merry Christmas, have a Happy New Year, and as always, go Jimmies.